Hey boys, we got some brand new rookie codes in Anime Last Stand. If you would like to have any of these units, comment down below Bobag, okay? Comment down below Bobag. The trio as well. The boss. We got the boss Brandon. Brandon the mastermind, okay. Let's go ahead and redeem some codes. Because we got some secret special codes for you guys. Okay, we get the brand new April codes. Make sure you guys watch the whole video till the end so you can actually get all the rewards. There's a lot of rewards to be earned that you can actually redeem with these codes. So make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, and comment down below Bobag. Bobag. Right, let's see. Why did I even do that? Why did I even do that? Okay, this should be fine. This should be fine. This should be great. So we did get the St. Patrick's update last week or so, but now we get some new working codes for some free rerolls and some free doesn't exist. Okay, thank you developers. Oh my god, tournament, come on. Yes, let's go. Again? Boom! Let's go! Okay, and then secret code. Bang! Okay, hold on. This is for every single person. This is for every single person in this video. Boom! Okay, let me actually check their Discord. Okay, let's see. We get the game news on Anime Last Stand. Let's see. New code is sorry for shutdown again. Okay, so this would be the brand new code. Sorry for shutdown again. And that's it. Okay, there's another one. Redeem this code. And redeem sorry for what? For shutdown. Okay, shutdown. Make sure you guys actually thank the developers for all these codes, because these codes are provided to you by the developers. They've just released these codes like a couple hours ago, so this is pretty much one of the best things that you can actually redeem right now. It is the official. Okay, you have to join the group, which is super annoying, and I'm not gonna do that. So make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, comment your usernames for free Robux, and like the video right now.